shirt for a beat when I'm out late night with my freeze homies.